I've been on the first Go Hydrogen Summit. This is the second. I like the format that's being smaller than other conferences, so people can talk with each other more. The panels have been good. I think there's been good discussion, good moderation, a lot of time for questions. I think it's good to see what's happening, that both sides can come at the table. Here, of course, it's a very business-oriented summit, so it's good for me to come here and talk with industry members what they're doing, and they can also understand better our views, our policies, our intentions, our targets. So I think it brings the best of both sides. I'll get back to my office and talk about what the industry says as biggest challenges in R&I, in particular about my field, but also what are the projections for the future, for future demand, opinions and views. It's good that we can also adapt our policies to it and reflect these things, while at the same time making sure that we communicate in a way that is understood by the industry.